Now, we told you at the top of the programme that this giant statue of St. Patrick raising a pint, it was outside Dublin's Temple Bar pub, has been taken down. Sophie, you saw it being taken down, did you?
Hi, Claire. I saw it when it was already down. So it was laying on its back on a flatbed truck and it had just recently been taken down. So yeah, he had a bit of a fall from grace this morning.
And it was holding a pint, was it?
No, so it was holding a pint, but when I saw it this morning, the pint had actually been covered up. So now there's kind of a green material, maybe a scarf covering the pint. And then on top of that, there's a couple of shamrocks.
I mean, we don't know why it's been taken down. We've reached out to the Temple Bar to find out what's going on here. But that gives us a clue maybe as to what has happened here.
Yeah, exactly. So we don't know for sure why it's happened, but the Advertising Standards Authority has rules that you can't market things that encourage drinking to heroes of children. So if St. Patrick is considered a hero to children, perhaps that could be why he wasn't allowed to be holding the pint in such a prominent place.
Okay, so the mystery still exists, but we might be getting close to why this thing has been taken down.